What's happening is that they've made a calculated decision, and I think it's wrong, that they're going to appeal to some of the left-wing blogs, and that Fox is perceived to them as a chance to make a campaign issue. Where I think that's wrong is that this network, congratulations to the people who are watching, has more Democrats viewing it than the other two cable news networks combined. And this network could play such a major role in determining not just the Democratic nominee, but who gets elected as president. So we went to New Hampshire, and we wanted to hear from New Hampshire Democratic primary voters, should they participate? And I believe that you've got in your control room some sound, some language of what they had to say.
All right, you might be surprised to find out what they did say. Let's take a listen.
Who says that they should not appear in a Fox News debate? Raise your hands. 1, 2. Who says they should appear? 30 of you. You just sent a message to the Democratic presidential candidates, a big one.
That's amazing, because these are Democratic primary voters, right? They're all registered Democrats in this room.
They're registered Democrats. They're all participating in the New Hampshire primary. 30 out of 32 people raised their hands saying they should do it. And these are not necessarily people who view Fox. If you want to be president, if you want to control Congress, you have to speak to the entire electorate. You can't just talk to a narrow sliver. And I think that this is strategically for the Democrats a very, very stupid decision. Again, you have more people watching you, more Democrats watching you, than the other news networks combined. Go back to 2006 when the Democrats successfully took over Congress. The reason that they won is that they took disaffected independents and disaffected moderates that had been voting Republican and moved them to the Democratic side. You cannot win by being strictly a Republican or Democrat, by being strictly conservative or liberal. You have to be able to work across the ideology and across the political spectrum. That's why you have to talk to everyone. And to shut off a segment of the population is stupid.
And we want to mention that the Congressional Black Caucus is planning that September debate on Fox, so they are supporting Fox. Yes. It remains to be seen if the candidates change their mind. Frank Luntz, good to see you this morning.
It's a pleasure. Thank you.